Hey, how's everybody doing today? It's MTECH Moose with MTECH Performance, and today we got a banger video for you guys. We got an M4 in, and it's going to be getting our M2 Plus package. Click the link below if you guys are interested and you want to do the same thing to your car. Stay tuned. We should be somewhere in the 700 mark.
700?
Make sure you guys watch so you can see all the dyno videos that we got going on and some of the clips of the guys working on this car and pretty much what it takes to get this package installed on your car if you decide to do it at home.
Back at taking off the 1000 BMW bulk.
Hey guys, we're going to be installing the MTECH Performance single midsection. On this one we do have a resonator in there, which we never done before, so we're going to actually find out what it actually sounds like. I just want to kind of show you guys, because I
What did you say?
don't really see it online or any other videos, anything like that, on where to cut. It does get a little bit confusing, but it's actually kind of easy. So if you have the stock exhaust down, you'll see that you have these little divots inside the exhaust on both sides of the car. What I found to work, because we've done it a couple times, is on this side, which would be the driver's side of the exhaust. You'll see the 3 divots. You're going to go to the first one, cut there, straight, clean cut. Passenger side, you're going to go right in the middle, clean cut. And obviously, as you see on our mid pipe, then you'll see why one pipe is just, I'd give or take, say, an inch to 1.5 inches shorter, would be, you know, once we get to that point when we're putting it in the car, you
spit it out.
You guys will see how it goes. Now we're moving on to the passenger side. Remember, we're cutting on the middle dowel pin out of the 3. You're gonna go directly right in the middle on the second one. This little wood corner right here.
So we just wrapped this M4 up on the dyno and we've got some amazing results. Check out the E50 graph. You'll see that in red, 759 wheel horsepower. And then the blue graph is our 93 octane map, 634 wheel horsepower. And then the green graph is stock, 480 wheel horsepower. This car almost had gains of 300 wheel horsepower. Pretty impressive. Click below if you're interested in doing this to your car. Right now we're on the E50 map. This car is making about 760 wheel horsepower. So we're gonna go give this thing a little drive on the road, do some spirited driving, and let you guys see what it feels like. Currently driving around in four-wheel drive sport mode. Everything's in Sport Plus. We also have the exhaust flaps open. Just cruising around normal. Give you guys an idea of how it sounds. Definitely not too loud. Still sounds very good. Perfect for daily driving. And if you give it some gas, it gives you just the right noises that you want to hear. My favorite things about this setup with the downpipes and the single midpipe and maintaining the factory muffler is the car doesn't get too loud and raspy. A lot of times these cars get very loud when people put full exhaust on them. Not to my liking personally. But let's give it a little first gear roll and go. Feels really good. I'm just gonna run through the gears with some medium load here. Give you guys a feel for the sound.